We just received another glowing review from another one of our satisfied customers, and we wanted to share it with the world. Here's what they had to say. It never gets old to hear our customers post these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing our customers are happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. Happy customers are the key to our success, allowing us to continue growing our customer base. So, if you're after great customer service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.